The urinary system, your body's filtration system. Hi, everyone. Today, we're going to talk about the urinary system, which is your body's amazing filtration system. It helps keep your blood clean by removing waste and extra water. Let's dive in. What is the urinary system? The urinary system is made up of four main parts: the kidneys, the ureters, the bladder, and the urethra. The kidneys are two bean-shaped organs that filter your blood. The ureters are thin tubes that carry urine from the kidneys to the bladder. The bladder is a stretchy bag that stores urine. And the urethra is the tube that lets urine leave your body. All these parts work together to filter your blood and get rid of waste. The kidneys, your body's filters. Your kidneys are about the size of your fist, and every day they filter about 50 gallons of blood. Inside the kidneys are tiny filters called nephrons. The nephrons remove waste, extra salt, and water from your blood, turning them into urine. This process helps keep your body's important chemicals balanced. How urine is made and moves. Once the kidneys make urine, it travels down the ureters to the bladder. The bladder stores the urine until it's ready to be emptied. The bladder, your storage tank. Your bladder is like a balloon that stretches to hold urine, about 1 to 2 cups comfortably. When it's full, nerves send a signal to your brain saying, "Hey, time to go to the bathroom." How you pee. When you decide to pee, your bladder muscles squeeze to push urine out through the urethra, which is the tube leading outside your body. This way, your body gets rid of waste and stays healthy. Why the urinary system matters. The urinary system is super important because it removes waste and toxins, balances salt and water to control blood pressure, keeps your body's chemicals stable, prevents dehydration and fluid overload. So, your urinary system is like your body's natural cleaning crew. The kidneys filter your blood, the ureters carry urine to the bladder, and the bladder stores it until you release it. All of this helps keep you healthy. Thanks for listening.